Are you cooking?
Yes.
What are you gonna cook?
Chicken.
Chicken?
Yes.
Very good. Don't burn it down, okay? Very good. Are you done cooking?
No.
Is the chicken ready?
No, guys.
Not yet?
Okay. Let's go chicken.
Thank you. It's looking very good.
Chicken. Whoa.
What else can you cook? Do you have fruits? Can you give me some grapes and bananas and apples?
No. Oh, bread.
Grapes?
Bread.
You have grapes?
Oh, bread.
You don't have it? Okay. What about bread? Do you have bread?
Yeah.
Give me bread.
Okay. Okay.
Are you cooking bread? Very good. Thank you. Thank you for the bread. Thank you for the food. That was very good. Now, can I go? I will come tomorrow for food again, okay?
Chicken.
Grapes?
Yeah.
We need to go and buy the grapes. You have to come with me.
What? Chicken are you?
Where is it?
You.
Show me where.
You.
Oh, yeah, right there. Are you washing the grapes? Oh, you're back? Look, Gahan is cooking something. Oh my God, did you fix all your clothes?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. You fixed all your clothes and Gahan cooked everything. You guys are very good today. So I will give you guys a prize. Okay? Yeah, you even have a bed. Your bed is made. Very good. Are you tired already? You gonna go to sleep? Okay. Good night. Oh, you're up again? Oh, that's your laundry basket. Very good.